Hi students, today in this video we go for the another exercises of chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Gulliver's Travels. In the previous video we saw the section A and today we go for the next another exercises of this chapter. And here is prose comprehension that read the paragraph and answer the question. It is question 3A. Who said this to whom in this chapter? The sentences are not conversation types, so we not take any sentence from this chapter. So we now go for prose comprehension that read the paragraph and answer the question. It is the paragraph on the textbook page number 119 and the starting of the paragraph is dinner and the end of is my children. You have to read this paragraph from your textbook and it is the last paragraph of this chapter. And now we go for the questions that answer the following. Number 1, what did the farmer's wife give Gulliver to eat? Here we have to find the answer from this paragraph that what did farmer की जो wife थी उसने गुलिवर को क्या दिया खाने को. Answer, the farmer's wife crumbled some bread and gave it to Gulliver to eat. जो फार्मर की जो वाइफ थी उसने थोड़े पीसीस किए ब्रेड के और वो जो खाना था उसने गुलिवर को खाने को दिया. So this is the answer and now we go for second. And number 2 is how big was the farmer's cat? Here we have to write the size of cat. The farmer's cat was 10 times bigger than an ox. This answer we can find from that paragraph. Number 3, what did the farmer's son do when Gulliver shouted loudly? Answer, when Gulliver shouted loudly, the farmer's son dropped him. जो फार्मर का जो सन था उसने गुलिवर को ग्रैब करने की कोशिश की, उसने उसको खाने की कोशिश की. बट व्हेन गुलिवर साउटेड लाउडली, जब उसने साउटेड किया, स्क्रीम्ड किया लाउडली, तब उसके जो फार्मर का सन था उसको उसने गुलिवर को उसने छोड़ दिया. ड्रॉप्ड किया मीन्स छोड़ दिया. सो दिस 3 क्वेश्चंस आर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चंस एंड नाउ वी गो फॉर द अनदर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. And here are the short question answers that number 1, why did the man rush back to the ship? The man would, the captain sent some men to bring the water on the land, but why they rush back to the ship? Here answer is the man rushed back to the ship because a huge monster was chasing them. They saw a huge monster that chasing them, so they ran for save their life, so they rushed back to the ship. And now we go for number 2. Number 2 is what was the Gulliver's reaction when he saw a monster coming towards him? How reacted Gulliver when he saw that monster was coming towards him? Answer, when Gulliver saw a monster coming towards him, he was very surprised and frightened and ran to hide himself. These are the actions performed by Gulliver, that he became surprised and very frightened and ran to hide himself. He wanted to hide himself means he was afraid from the monster. वो गुलिवर जो थे वो एकदम डर गए थे क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा मॉन्स्टर कभी देखा नहीं था. एंड नंबर 3 इज वेयर डिड द फार्मर टेक गुलिवर? फार्मर जो था वो उसने गुलिवर को कहाँ पे लेके गया? Answer, the farmer took Gulliver to his house and put him on a table which was 30 feet high from the floor. The farmer took Gulliver to his house, यानी अपने घर पे लेके गया और उसको वहाँ पे टेबल पे रखा, जो टेबल कितनी हाइट पे थी? 30 feet high from the floor, यानी ज़मीन से वो 30 feet हाइट पर, इतना हाइट वाला टेबल था, उस पर उसने गुलिवर को रखा. So these 3 question answer and now we go for the next. Number 4 is what did the farmer's son do when he saw Gulliver and why? Here there are 2 questions that what did the farmer's son do when he saw Gulliver means जब उसने गुलिवर को देखा तो फार्मर के सन ने क्या किया और क्यों किया? Answer, when the farmer's son saw Gulliver, he grabbed him and put his head into his mouth. उसने क्या किया? उसको ग्रैब करने की कोशिश की और उसका जो हेड था वो उसके माउथ में ऐसे डालने की उसने कोशिश की. बिकॉज ही थॉट दैट गुलिवर वॉज अ टॉय. उसने सोचा कि ये तो एक छोटा सा टॉय है, क्योंकि गुलिवर की जो हाइट थी उसके कंपैरिजन में बहुत छोटी थी, तो उसको लगा कि वो एक टॉय है, तो उसने उसको ग्रैब करने की कोशिश की. सो These are 4 short question answers, and now we go for the long question answer of this chapter. And here are the long question answers. Number 1, what did the monster do when he saw Gundivar? जब monster ने गुंडीवर को देखा तो उसने क्या किया? Here we have to write the activities of that monster. Answer, when the monster saw Gundivar, he picked him up. उसने उसको उठाया, अपने पास में ऐसे ऊपर उठाया. He brought him close to his eyes. उसको वो अपने आइस के पास लेके आया, क्योंकि गुंडीवर जो है बहुत छोटा था. The monster was in height of 60 feet above the ground. और जो monster था वो कितना हाइट पे था? उसकी जो हाइट थी वो 60 feet, ग्राउंड से 60 feet हाइट पे वो था. He looked at Gundivar with curiosity. क्यूरियोसिटी से उसने गुंडीवर को और देखा. He blew Gundivar's hair aside to see his face properly. उसने उसके हेयर, उसके जो बाल थे वो असाइड किए, बाजू में किए, क्योंकि उसको फेस देखना था गुंडीवर का. He called his friends and gently placed Gundivar on the land. He called some other friends of him and he gently placed, धीरे से उसने गुंडीवर को लैंड पे रखा. So these are the actions done by monster when he saw Gundivar. And now we go for the next. And number 2 is, what did Gundivar do when the monsters gathered around him? When monsters gathered around Gundivar, then what did he do? Answer, when the monsters gathered around him, Gundivar walked slowly backward and forward. He walked backward and forward, means वो आगे पीछे ऐसे walk कर रहा था. He pulled off his hat and bowed to them. उसने अपना hat pull किया और उनको रिस्पेक्ट दिया, बाव हेड किया. Gundivar tried to speak to the monsters loudly in several languages. गुंडीवर ने क्या किया? उसने ट्राई की मॉन्स्टर से बात करने के लिए, तो उसने बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में उसने बात करने की ट्राई की. सो these 2 long question answers, and I hope you understood all the exercises very well. You have to repeat these exercises in your notebook. Thank you.